best thing in the world for starting a fire. You need to start a fire.
Yeah.
Or it's the worst thing in the world if you got a forest fire.